Good morning, everyone. It's Gretchen Fleener from Paintertainment here, coming to you at 10 a.m. Central Time on Tuesday. And that is actually by design. I am excited to announce that I'm going to try a new thing here. And every Tuesday at 10, I am going to do my best to share some sort of tip with you all. So it could be a tip about face painting, balloon twisting, just being an entertainer in general, business stuff, you name it. So Tuesday Tips at 10 is what I'm going to call it. And as long as I don't just completely run out of tips, I hope to share a fun new tip with you every week on Tuesday. So it may be something you already know. Maybe you have a better tip. Share them with me. I'd love to share your tips as well. So I'm going to try to keep all of my videos really short, hopefully 2 minutes or less, because 2 starts with T and so does Tuesday, and 10 and tips. You know, I gotta be consistent here. So today's might be a little longer just because I'm telling you what I'm going to be doing. But for my first tip this week, I wanted to share one that's maybe obvious already to all of you, but it wasn't to me until I saw somebody else do it, and I thought, oh, why haven't I done that all along? And it's a tip with dealing with, you know, those little flyaway fuzzy hairs that get in the way of faces that we're trying to paint, especially on those adorable little girls who have curly hair or that super fine little baby hair. They're short and they just they get stuck in our brushes, and this has been the best tip that I like to use, is to just take your spray bottle, whatever you use to mist your sponges or your paints. I'm going to take my glasses off, but just put your hand up, give them a little light mist of water, and brush those little hairs back. And you will hopefully get just enough moisture to hold them in place while you get your painting done. I love this little handy tip, and I hope that it helps you out. I have a bunch of more tips lined up for you guys in the coming week, so make sure you like, subscribe, all the things to make sure you don't miss out on any. And I will see you next Tuesday at 10 for another tip. Have a great day.